95% of people lose in trading because they do not have this simple information I'm about to give you in this 10-minute video. I do not need to sell you any coaching, any course, any mentorship. I don't care. I just want everyone to know that it is not so complicated to make profit. My last month was a great month. I'm very proud of that. I've been making 79,000 profit on my trading account. And basically it's really simple. I mean, it's more simple than you could ever think it is. You just need to master this thing that is on your screen, and I will explain it to you and give you a real-time example. Just make sure you stay until the end of the video. It's less than 10 minutes. It can change everything. And yes, basically you have different phases in the market. You've got continuation, consolidation, liquidity, and continuation again in most cases. Here, as you can see, you've got an uptrend, okay? Lows are getting higher and highs are getting higher. This is why we can say it's an uptrend, okay? I will explain it to you on the graph just after. So basically, in this kind of situation, you will see the market is not linear. If the market was just linear, well, it will go like that, sorry. And basically there will be no sellers, okay? There are sellers, so the market will retrace even on an uptrend. And we know it's an uptrend because the highs get higher and because the lows are still always higher and higher. Downtrend is the exact contrary. You've got basically something like that going on. And yes, your highs keep getting lower and your lows keep getting lower, okay? So basically in the market, you have continuation, consolidation, liquidity, and then continuation again. What does that mean? Well, it basically means that whenever you're going to have the market going on, you have a continuation phase, you're in an uptrend, the trend continues to rise, okay? It continues to go the same way. Then we'll have small retracements, okay? Well, basically the price will consolidate. Sometimes it will do like 1, 2 candles downside and then one up, but it's not a frank uptrend, okay? So we're still in like the retracement phase. The price is consolidating, okay? And then you will have continuation again. And in between, there's this small movement, which is liquidation. And why do we talk about liquidation? Because basically all retails put their stop losses under the last low when they see a couple of lows at the same level. Meaning here, you see the retails will think, oh, okay, the price is going to go back up. And they would be right. The price will go back up. So they will put their stop losses just here. You know, like all stops, there will be a cluster of stops here. And basically the institutions will just take the time to liquidate here, to place new orders at a better price and put the market back up. This is what they are doing basically all day long. And it's a repetitive thing that you can spot on the market. Most retail traders do not spot that simple movement. And this is why I tell you this video is 100% real, legit. We have a real strategy. We just wait for liquidation phase and then we will enter when it's confirmed that liquidation phase is over. Because just after, the market will always, and when I say always, I mean it, make a continuation phase again, and you will just have all the movement carried by institutional. So you might not enter at the same price they do, but you get carried by the movement once it's confirmed that this movement is finished. So back to where I was, continuation, consolidation, liquidation, and then continuation again. Basically, you want to wait for liquidation in an uptrend, in a downtrend, that's the same thing. So basically, what you want to get, okay, is you want to have AI as a personal assistant. It will give you confirmation that you're following your money management, your psychology, and basically your plan. Because most people, when they have the right strategy, they lose because they are too much greedy on the market. And you know it, you're greedy, I am greedy. Let's let AI work for us. I'm going to show you exactly how. So now let me show you real-time example. But just before I do not sell courses. I do not care. I make profit with trading, but I just recommend you my personal broker that I use. It's in the description of this video if you want to create an account. Here is a perfect example of a gold trade that you could have been taking on the last month. Here, as you can see, most retails think, well, they can put the stop loss here because yes, the market is shifting. It's becoming a more and more bearish market. And as you can see, well, a lot of times the market is rejecting in this area. So most retails will think, okay, I'm safe, I'm fine, I'm going to put my stop loss here. They did not wait for liquidation phase that happened just here. And if you want to make sure where to enter to just have the continuation phase again, you just wait for the retest. So as you can see here, for example, I've been waiting multiple retests here, and I can see that the market struggles and liquidation phase is over. I enter a selling position, and I could have been taking more money here, but I played it safe. more than 6 risk reward trade. And with this single trade, I do not need to trade 3, 4, 5, 6 times a day. Okay, you need one opportunity per day, and you can just spot this simple method pattern that you can see again and again and again on the market, because basically it will always be continuous phases, and then consolidation phases, and then liquidation phases that will occur on the market. And yes, retails will always put their stop losses here and basically get liquidated. So once the retest is over, boom, the market will sink, and you have the proof it happens here. If you want to subscribe to this video for more value, please, you can do it. It's free. You also have my free group where I send all my positions in the description, 100% for free, nothing to sell. And you've got the link of the broker we're partnered with this video. You can click on it, create your account if you wish or not. Have a good day.